All right, some people just need to see it mapped out. Some people need to understand exactly how when you send money from here to there in your bank, right? When you're wire transferring, a lot of these fees, guys, are accrued because of the middleman, the people who touch your money before the people that you're sending it to touch their money, right? They're sending it from this bank to that bank to that bank. And just understand that the fees do get very pricey. Okay, just to say the least. Okay, you talking about from 5 to 10%, even up to 15%, guys. That is very costly. Okay, and so right now we are getting rid of the middleman. What is the sauce? How are we doing it? With stable coins, bringing liquidity. Check this out though.
Especially around cross-border payments. Take a look.
So we want to send money from there to there. How is that going to work in traditional payment systems? Well, first, the payer has to send to its bank, has to put the money into its bank. Secondly, the money has to move to an international correspondent bank. Then it will engage an FX trader, a foreign exchange trader, to sell US dollars and buy Korean won. And then that money is deposited into the US correspondent's bank account at the Korean correspondent bank account. From there, it goes to the payee's bank, and then finally, the money gets to the payee. Every step, somebody gets paid, right? No one's doing any of this. There's not volunteer work. Only 37% of these international transactions have a cost less than 5%. 45% have costs between 5 and 10%. And there are some that cost a lot more, 10% between 10 and 15. And a lot of stuff takes more than one day. Blockchain has been used also, finally, in this situation, and that happens instantaneously. So I'm going to give two examples. One is Ripple, and one is JPM Coin. I sell my US dollars, and I buy a token. Its token is called XRP. And then all you do is you switch on the blockchain, you switch the ownership to the person that's supposed to get it, and that person sells the token for won. And this is public permissionless. So the other kind of way this is being done, it was JP Morgan Coin, for example. This is 2020. So this is not the blockchain dream. It's not public. The only people who can play in this playground is JP Morgan and its clients.
This is a huge advancement, I think, that a lot of people are not ready for just yet. And I think this is the key. And the speed in which this is happening is a big factor. And this is why I think Trump is pushing so hard to get this approved so quickly.